Happy New Year, first video, and it's a quite interesting one actually. So basically, as we are now in the halving year, a lot of investors are now looking around to put their money somewhere. And the interesting thing is, a lot of these investors are looking for coins that have prices sub $1. And this is a kind of a psychological thing because even though the actual price isn't that much of an indication of how high a token can go, so just because something is under $1 doesn't mean that it has a better chance of doing a 10x. That's something that is $10,000 even, right? What really affects this most in that respect is market cap. Even people that do research, they're still influenced by this phenomenon. What people do see is the price. So as a result, a lot of people that are looking to put their money somewhere, especially people with lots of money, are looking at cryptos that are sub $1. So who do you think is going to benefit from this? As we enter 2020, investors are once again focusing on cryptocurrencies priced below $1. Perhaps with the arrival of 2024, the excitement in cryptocurrencies is indeed reviving. And as a famous crypto analyst mentioned in his December 29 post, altcoins may still be a good investment. Well, altcoins are a great investment, but I think what that means is that they haven't really started to run, even though some of them have pumped. Okay. And first pick is Cardano. Okay. Firstly, Cardano has generated attention, climbing on top of all cryptocurrency projects in terms of monthly deployment activities on GitHub. So basically, there's a lot of development going on Cardano. Cardano is a very, it's almost like an academic blockchain where there's a lot of developers doing a lot of good work on there. And they deploy a lot of changes, even though their changes, what they're doing, don't necessarily translate to the price because, it's a very boring ecosystem. Lately, we've had a meme coin snack that has put a little bit of a fire underneath Cardano. But apart from that, it's pretty much a relatively boring platform, a bit like Chainlink, right? The increase in the development activities could have a noticeable impact on the altcoin's price performance in 2024. Well, that's if, people pay attention to that. I think more that marketing and thing is probably a little bit more important now. XRP reviews. XRP, often at the forefront of cryptocurrencies, appears to have a very stable price movement. That's a very polite way of calling it a stable coin. The price has soared following the SEC decision in July of last year, but then it might have given back all the gains. Well, it mightn't, it has. In 2024, filled with hopes for investors, XRP could rise to $3.7, according to analyses using the Super Guppy indicator, if events repeat themselves. So $3.7, so that's like, I don't know, that's a 12x? No, that's a 6x roughly. To be honest, I think that's pretty conservative. I think $3.7 is what we should be right now without all the manipulation. But if that's where it's going to go, a lot of people are not going to be happy because people are expecting a lot more from XRP, right? As of the time of writing, XRP is trading at 62 cents. It has been for the last month. Okay, the next one is ALGO, another coin that I've been looking at myself. Another notable project has taken a significant step. ALGO, chosen as blockchain for the joint project with TravelX and Viva Aerobus. That's actually quite cool. To convert plane tickets into digital assets has attracted a lot of attention. So basically, any token that is dealing with tokenization of real world assets, as this is a real world asset, or at least a real world service that's been tokenized on the blockchain, is bound to get a lot of attention. And look, this is real utility, actual tickets being tokenized. As of the time of writing, ALGO is finding buyers at 23 cents. So that's an attractive price for people. When they look at it visually, it looks like it might go to $1, which would represent nearly a 5x. Another one is Polygon Matic. I actually went in on Polygon Matic about a month ago with some tiny amounts. I was in the green briefly, but I think I'm just even now again. Lastly, Polygon Matic, although frequently visiting the $1 level, is currently below this region. According to this analyst, due to its gained momentum, it may not stay below the $1 level for long and could soon move towards $1.30. As of the time of writing, Polygon is at 99 cents. Now, Polygon is another one that is going to do very, very well in the next bull run. Polygon Matic, remember from last bull run, was actually the gaming darling. I know a lot of people were talking about Axie Infinity and all those, but Polygon was getting in there with some of the biggest companies, Coca-Cola, Nike, all of them minting their loyalty cards, their NFTs, all that stuff on Polygon. So they still have all those contacts, and people are going to remember Matic when the time comes, and that's going to do really, really well. And the psychological level of it being under $1 is going to do very well for people trying to throw their money into FOMO, into what they think is going to be a massive rise. Out of all of these coins, I think actually in the very short term that Polygon Matic has the best chance to do a bit of a run, like really early this year. Not financial advice, but at the end of 2024, I think XRP is going to blow all of them out of the water. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.